So in this video, you're going to be learning how to track text to an object in Premiere Pro. Definitely. So let's just dive in. This is our text. This is our text here. This is it in this layer. So let me just stretch it a bit. Yeah, then so go to your toolbars. This is it. Type 2. You can put in any text you want here. Yup. So once you put in your text, you come here. This is your text. You can pick any font you want. Make sure you centralize this. Put it at center align text. Click on this. Yeah, because we're going to be moving it. And yup. Let's go down. You can pick any color actually, but let's go down to the motion. Now this is the position. This is what we're going to be needing. You have to push it. This is the money. Then all right, let me play it and see the movement. This is the movement. Okay, I think we're going to take this text down a bit. All right, so this is the money. The money's moved from here to here. All right, so what we're going to do is you go back to your text, you click on your text, then let's add a letter to track it. Press X, then press enter. So so this X should be on top of this. I want the text to be down. So what you have to do now is to go back to that motion. Go back to them. Let me collapse this. Go back to the motion. This is it. Go back to the motion, and we're going to be using this X. I will put this X. We're going to be using this X for the movement. All right. So let's go. All right. So it started like this from the left to the right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use this X to follow the money. So we'll mark our first keyframe in the position here, and you'll go to the end where you received the money. Then let's click on this type 2 where you receive the money. Then let me shift this thing a bit, open this a bit. So at that point you receive the money. We're going to mark another keyframe and make some adjustments to that place. And take it up a bit. Where the X touches the money. With the X, I'm using the X to track the object. So so I don't know the kind of video you're using, but I hope you get me. All right, so let's play it and see to here. All right, okay, so I think this is a bit small. We'll push this again. We'll mark another keyframe here at this point. Take it here, using the X to track the money. Then okay, so take it back again. At this point the money went up. So all right, take it again, play it. All right, so let's just play it and see what we've done. So that's just it, guys. So this is the, and just shift it to so this is it. So so I think this started too soon. All we have to do now is mark this as a keyframe and shift this position. It started too soon. So let's play it now and see. Okay, so let me just try and change this text, put a real text there, and let's see how the thing looks like. I put $2,000. Let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like actually. Then you can mark here, take this down a bit. You Can mark here, take this down a bit. Alright, we can actually change the text color too. Let's change the text color. Let me make it green since it's money. Change it to green, and yeah, add a little bit stroke to make it a bit visible. So add a stroke. Once you add your stroke, let's make the stroke probably to 3. Don't want the stroke to be too visible. Just here. So, and this is what you get. Just this is the tracking. So guys, yeah, so no matter the object you're tracking, just use your position, and yeah, it's very easy. Use the keyframes. So thank you guys, see you in the next.